for backup power that's truly portable and sleek? Of course you are, aren't we all? Because we all want to carry that external battery when our phones are typically dying at the end of every day. Well, our next guest can help you with just that. Oh, and he's brought a whole bunch for audience giveaways. Aha! So you want to participate on the program, you may win some of these. The founder of Case Power is Parlan Fritz. Welcome back into Tomorrow, sir. How are you?
I'm very good, thank you. It's a pleasure to be here with you again. We met 2 years ago in Berlin at the IFA show.
At the IFA, exactly. And it's been a couple of years, so I'm glad we're able to catch up. And you, as always, coming out with cool new things to talk about. So let's talk about what Case Power is showing here at CES.
Yes, I mean, portable batteries is really something everybody needs, as you know. And I know, I mean, that's the same in Europe as in here in the US. We all need that, and but we also need the backup batteries to be portable, so they're not bulky in our pocket. So that's what we strive for and work for all the time. We wake up in the morning and think, how can we make power even more portable?
Yeah, so more power and yet slimmer and sleeker, and that's always an uphill battle, but you guys are pulling it off. You're making it happen with a few of these.
I hope so. Yeah, we're really focusing on making the power really small. So this device here that we're looking at is a 3700 milliamps battery pumped up with LG battery cells to make the charge very stable and high performing and long lasting.
Ooh, and a nice display with the push of a button to see how much battery we have. We can see you've been using a little bit of it, but we've still got the majority of battery power left here.
Exactly. That indicator is showing if it's 100% or 50%.
And I like it. It's not just little teeny LEDs. You've got a nice display at a glance. You tap the button and you know that you've got some good power and you can plug in. And also the feel. What kind of material is this? I love it.
Yeah, it's a special finish similar to silicon. That is like making it both protective.
Sounds like my ex-wife. A different kind of thing, but silicon. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a durable surface, and it's also nice to touch. Yes.
And of course, here you've got an appropriate plug to connect to. In this case, it's showing a micro USB, but maybe for the iPhonies out there, they need a Lightning connector.
Absolutely.
So you can change it very easily, I'm guessing.
Yes.
I don't want to break it. Just pulling this apart.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes. Pulling, yes.
Okay, I'll let you do it because I've paid for more products on the air where I've just broken them, but okay, there you go. So you can see how it's very easily a simple USB to whatever, so you can get whatever plug.
Absolutely. So that cable can actually be attached to the power bank to the product, as you can see on this model where we put it there.
Okay. So you're not likely to lose it when you have it on this type of
Exactly.
unit.
Exactly. So that's the whole point. We call it the click-to-go cables. Now that Type-C is coming, we will add another version, so you can add a Type-C cable if you have a device that needs to be charged with Type-C.
Now this one, of course, being a bigger size, also has 3 outputs. So you can, I'm guessing, with a bigger battery, how many milliamp per hour?
14,200.
14,200. Yes. So we can charge a tablet, a couple of phones, and breakfast on this one.
Yeah, exactly. It's really packed with a lot of power. Yeah. So you can charge maybe your iPhone 5 times. You can go on a trip for a week and keep your smartphone or iPhone charged for that week.
Nice.
And we managed to pump it into a quite small form factor that is about half what is usually on the market. Why we can do that is because we use very thin LG Li-polymer battery cells rather than the Li-ion rounded ones, which is always creating a little bit more of a bulky product. So we can lose weight. It's about half the weight of a similar product on the market.
And we all want to lose weight.
Yeah, exactly. Me too.
And of course, now you also have a variety of colors.
Yes.
But let's face it, if you're going to carry it around, you want to be styling at least. If you're going to be pulling it out of a pocket or pulling it out of a purse or a bag or a briefcase, whatever. So you've got some things here. This is a very bright green for those of you looking on the radio. Adjust your sets. It's a very bright green, like a fluorescent neon green. I love it.
Exactly.
And 2 ports, so nice capacity, and again the ability to just know at a glance how much battery power you have left.
Absolutely.
And let me talk about price range too.
Yes.
For some of these, because obviously depending on the size of the battery.
Exactly.
From costing how many US dollars to where?
So basically we have the rounded batteries, which is more like the entry level. affordable. I mean, they works fine for one charge. It's about $15 up to $20.
Oh, okay, very affordable, and they're sort of like an overgrown lipstick. If you think of it that way.
A little bit like the lifestyle colors. Easy to go. They have a feature that is a high output, so it's 1.5 ampere output, and what that means is that it can charge your smartphone properly, whereas many of the smaller batteries on the market only have 1 ampere, and then they will hardly charge.
Gotcha.
So that's a good thing with that. So that starts about $15 to $20.
Okay.
And then we have the next step, which is like the Li polymer with the LG battery cells and proprietary PCB, which is like the brain of the product. That it's also making it intelligent. The intelligence is basically that it can detect how much charge does the device want to have.
Oh, good.
So let's say an iPhone wants to have a 1 ampere and a Samsung S6 want to have 1.7 ampere, it will detect that and give just that.
So that intelligence is built into the battery?
Yes, into the PCB. Yeah.
Excellent. Awesome.
And the price point for this one is $34.90.
Okay. And we're talking US dollars now.
Yes.
Okay.
Exactly. And that's a 3700. And then we come up to the highest capacity, 14,000 milliamps battery is only $79.90.
Wow.
So I think we're maintaining pretty affordable pricing.
Yes, very competitive prices too for that quality. Do check them out at case-power.com. And of course, we'll link you there. You'll see his site and all of our guests, of course, when you visit intotomorrow.com. Thanks for spending a few minutes with us. We know you have a very busy exhibit. We'll let you get these goodies back.
Absolutely. Thank you very much, Dave. Have a good day.
We look forward to getting you back on again, perhaps at IFA next time.
Yeah, let's see you there.
We'll look forward to it. Intotomorrow.com for more. Be sure and visit us and check out the videos of all of our guests and, of course, all the radio interviews as well. You'll see all the goodies. I'm Dave Graveline, bringing you further into tomorrow right here, you guessed it, on the Advanced Media Network from CES.